Hello friends and welcome to lesson number 49 from the first book of lessons by Julio Sagreras. To start with this, we're going to need to take finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and finger 2 on string number 3, fret number 2. This position is going to remain there for the entirety of measure 1. Our right hand is going to play thumb on string 5, that gives us an A, then index on string 3 to play the second A, and then middle finger is going to play the second string to get us the C note, and finally the ring finger is going to play string number 1, and that gets us the E note. The finger picking pattern is going to be like this. On beat 1 we got 3 strokes, thumb, index, middle. On beat 2 we have 3 strokes as well. This time we start with the ring finger on string number 1. It's going to be ring finger, middle, index. Beat number 3 is exactly the same. Ring, middle, index. And beat 4 is also the same. Ring, middle, index. All together is thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index, real, middle, index, ring, middle, index. To go into measure number 2, we're going to remove finger 2 from the third string, and we're going to bring finger 1 from string number 2 to string number 3, also on fret 1. It's a very small jump of the finger, and that's all we need on the left hand. The right hand is going to play string number 6 as open string to get us the E on the bass. The ring finger is going to play string number 3 to get us the G sharp, then middle finger on string number 2, and ring finger string number 1. Beat number 1 is thumb, index, middle. Beat number 2 is ring, middle, index. Beat number 3 is the same as beat number 2. And beat number 4 is the same as beats number 2 and 3. All together, measure number 2 sounds like this. Then to go into measure number 3, we're going to keep finger 1 right where we have it on string number 3, fret number 1, so we can play the G sharp, and we're going to bring finger number 2 to string number 1, fret number 1. The right hand is going to start the pattern on the 6th string as open again for that E note on the bass, and we get thumb, index, middle for beat 1, and then beat 2, ring, middle, index, beat 3, ring, middle, index, and beat 4, again, ring, middle, index. All together sounds like this. That F note on string number 1 creates a very cool dissonance that we're going to resolve in the next measure. To get into measure number 4, we're going to bring finger number 2 to string number 3, fret number 2, and finger number 1, we're going to bring it from string number 3 to string number 2, also on fret number 1. This is the exact same position where we started at the very beginning of the piece. The thumb is going to play open 5th string, and the other fingers are going to play the same strings that they have been playing all along. That is index for the 3rd string, middle for the 2nd string, and ring finger for the 1st string. And the finger picking pattern is exactly the same as before. Beat number 1, thumb, index, middle. Beat number 2, ring, middle, index. Same for beat number 3, and same for beat number 4. This entire measure number 4 is exactly the same as measure number 1. It sounds like this. Then we go into measure number 5. For that measure, we're going to remove finger 2, and we're going to slide finger 1 from fret number 1 to fret number 2. We're going to stretch finger 4 all the way to fret number 5 on string number 1 to get that A note on the 1st string. The right hand is going to play the open 5th string for the bass, and the other fingers keep playing the same strings. So beat 1 is going to be thumb, index, and middle. That gets us the A, the G, and the C sharp. And then beat number 2 is ring, middle, index. Again, for beat number 3, and once more for beat number 4. Let's hear that again. Then we move on to measure number 6. We are going to go back to the first position. We are going to need finger number 2 on the A of string number 3, that is fret number 2. Finger number 3, we're going to bring it to string number 2, fret number 3 for the D note. And finally, finger number 1 goes to string 1, fret 1 to get that F note right there. And for the bass, we need string number 4 as open string to get us that D. The thumb plays then string number 4, index 3, middle finger plays the second string, that's beat 1, and then for beat 2, as all the other measures before, first string, second string, and third string. Again, and one last time. Measure number 6 then sounds like this. And from there we go to measure number 7. For that one we're going to remove fingers 2 and 3, and we're going to bring finger 1 from string 1 to string number 3, same fret, number 1. The movement is a little bit bigger than before. We're going all the way from the first string to the third string. And that's the only finger we need on the left hand. Finger picking pattern starts on string number 6 to get that E on the bass, and then index on the third, middle on the second, and then ring on the first, middle on the second, index on the third, same for beat number 3, and same for beat number 4. And finally, measure number 8, the ending of the piece, we bring finger 2 back to the A on string number 3, fret number 2. We bring finger number 1 from where we have it, string number 3, fret number 1, to string number 2, fret number 1 as well. That's all we need for the left hand, and the finger picking pattern on the right hand is going to start on the open 5th string to get us that A on the bass, and it is open 5th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 5th. And we keep that bass note at the end sounding. We let the string vibrate for 2 beats. So measure number 8 goes like this. And that's lesson 49. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Keep enjoying the process.